Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to today's video session of TaxTower.blog, the ultimate library of tax solutions. Today our topic is handled by Mr. Muhammad Mustafa CT. He is the CEO and Chief Consultant of BRQ Associates Kasaragod, Kerala, India, which is the professional firm providing audit, tax, and advisory services. He have more than 20 years of experience in direct and indirect taxation and company law. Let us start today's service topic. Thank you, and over to Muhammad Mustafa CT, sir.
Hello friends. Welcome to our today topic GST audit para case study, non-payment of GST liability under reverse charge basis for security services received, under Section 9 subsection 3 of the CGST Act, 2017. Applicability of reverse charge mechanism to security services. Notification number 29/2018 Central Tax dated 31 December 2018 specifies that security services provided by any person other than a body corporate to a registered person are covered under reverse charge mechanism. This means that if a registered person avails security services from an individual or a partnership firm, they will be liable to pay GST on a reverse charge basis. Important to remember one thing, that if registered person receives security service from a registered proprietorship concern, or a registered individual or from a registered partnership firm, required pay the GST liability by the recipient of service under reverse charge mechanism because these are not covered under body corporate as per Companies Act. Body corporate in GST. Body corporate broadly means a corporate entity which has a legal existence. The term body corporate is defined in Section 2 subsection 11 of the Companies Act, 2013. This includes a private company, public company, one personal company, small company, limited liability partnerships, foreign company. Rate of GST under reverse charge mechanism for security services. As per the notification number 29/2018 Central Tax dated 31 December 2018, the applicable rate of GST on reverse charge mechanism for security services is 18%. It is important for registered persons availing these services to ensure compliance with the reverse charge mechanism provisions and remit the GST accordingly. Impact on the registered person. Under the reverse charge mechanism, the recipient of security services is required to self-assess the GST liability and pay it directly to the government. This implies that the recipient needs to be aware of their tax obligations and maintain proper records to comply with the GST law. Input tax credit, ITC, under RCM for security services. Registered persons who pay GST under RCM for security services are eligible to claim input tax credit on the GST paid, subject to the conditions laid out in the GST law. The ITC can be utilized for the payment of output GST liabilities, reducing the overall tax burden. Author's suggestion. If a registered business entity engages the services from a security service provider, they may be required to pay GST under the reverse charge mechanism in case the security service provider is a registered entity but not body corporate. Tax on security service covered under the provisions of Section 9 subsection 3, and as per notification number 29/2018, Central Tax dated 31 December 2018 payable under reverse charge basis. Hence it is advised pay the tax under RCM when the service availed from security service provider. Verify the books of accounts from 1 July 2017 onwards, and if there are any services availed from security service provider in that period, pay the tax as per notification number 29/2018 through Form DRC-03 before issuance of notice by the department, along with interest at the rate of 18% per annum. Then the taxpayer can escape from huge penalty imposed by the department. Thank you for listening. By BRQ Associates, Kasaragod, Kerala, India. In case if anybody you have any query or require more information, please feel free to read my blog in www.taxtower.blog. Or contact or WhatsApp me anytime in the number 9633181898. Or the email ID brqgst@gmail.com.